Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy LB back here on another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make this double exposure effect. Guys, this music video effect is very simple because I like to use in my music video that I made. So now let's see how you can do it in Premiere Pro. Guys, if you enjoy my video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave your thumbs up, like, share, and drop your comment down below. So let's jump in Premiere Pro just right now. So guys, as you know, here I'm in Premiere Pro. So now we are going to see some different ways how you can make this effect. Okay, so here I have some different clips you see here, because we just want to see some different ways how you can make this double exposure effect. So now duplicate this layer. So now let me scale it. You have to scale this layer which is on the top. Okay, after this, so here I'm going to reduce some opacity. You see how my clip is. So let me put it here to 52 just. Okay, so now the things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mask this effect by clicking here on this icon. So now let me mask some one side just like this. Let me trace this line. Okay, yes. So when I play, you see how my effect is, but I don't want that line. I have to smooth it. Yes, so now click on this layer tool, just increase this mask path. Okay, you see how my line is disappearing. Yeah, this is very cool. Guys, this is the first method how you can make this effect. So now, so when you don't see for this first clip, just you can increase some opacity. Okay, you can increase or decrease depend how your effect is looking or just how your video clip is. So let me jump on my second clip and then we're going to see the second method. Okay, this is my second clip. So now again duplicate this clip by using holding Alt and then move up this clip. Just go on blend mode and then choose the screen. Okay, you see how my clip is become some bright. So now increase this scale. When I play, you see how my clip is. So now I'm going to use some method just same as like first one, but not the same. I'm going to use this creating some ellipse mask by using this cycle. So now move your cycle here on my subject. Okay, you have to mask your subject well. Okay, yeah, this is cool. So now click here on invert. Already you see how my exposure effect is affected on trees except my subject. So now you have to increase this mask path, you see, to disappear that line. We have been see before on the second, sorry, on the first clip. So when I jump here on color, I just want to reduce this some exposure by using this exposure and contrast. Okay, this is the second method you can use for making this effect. Okay, so let me jump on the third clip. Okay, so guys, it is better to use this effect when your camera or just when your clip is fixed. This my video clip is moving too. So now duplicate this layer tool, click on the top one. So go here on effect. So I'm going to search the effect called the flip vertical or just vertical flip. So now when you drag and put it on the top clip, you see how my clip is. So let me reduce this opacity. Okay, let me put it here on the 63, just now 59. Okay, let me increase this scale. You see how my video clip is. Okay, wow, this is the cool effect, like this one. Okay, yep. So when you play, you see how this effect is. But this is not enough. Let me duplicate again. Okay, for the first one. So now click here on the second clip, or just in the middle clip, and then let me increase some scale. So guys, you see already I have 3 videos clip. Okay, so when I reduce some this opacity, you see, okay, just click here on the middle one. So now let me use again this cycle for this mask. Let me increase some size of it. So now click here on invert. Guys, you see my effect, it affected on my background but not on the face of my subject. So when I open up the third one, let me add some this cycle on the third one too. It will be looking good. Okay, let me put it here on this head and then increase some size of it. So let me click invert too and increase some this mask path. So when I pray, you see, yeah, the face is looking good. Okay, and then you see that edges which is on the background of my subject. Okay, yeah guys, so this is the third method you can use. So let me jump on the last one. Okay guys, those are the same effect, but you can use this effect in the different ways. So now duplicate again this clip and then go here on this pen tool. So now let me mask again on one side. Yeah, okay. So let me just increase one this side. Okay, and then let me reduce this opacity. Yes, and then yeah, this is same as the first one, but I just want to add one more. So let me duplicate again. Guys, you have to know this. For the third one, I duplicate the first clip, which was in the bottom. So for the fourth one, you have to duplicate the top one. Okay, so I have to increase this scale, increase some this mask feather too. You see, I have the 3 clones of my effect. So guys, those are the different method or different ways you can use for making this effect. Guys, this is how you can apply this double exposure effect in your video clip. Stick around, see you in next video. Peace.